Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Knotless. If you are new here, you are super welcome. Are you tired of the same old hairstyles? Ready to switch things up and step into a look that is not just stylish, but also beautiful and stunning? Today we are diving headfirst into the world of knotless braids, the sleek, stylish, and incredibly versatile hairstyle that is taking the beauty world by storm. Knotless braids are a game changer. Unlike traditional braids, they start with your natural hair, gradually adding braiding hair as you go. This means no bulky knots, less tension on your scalp, and a more natural, fluid look. Knotless braid is a hairstyle that is not just stunning, but also super comfortable to wear. You can get them in all lengths and size, from a cheek bob to waist-length goddess braids. Knotless braids are your canvas for creativity. Picture these stunning boho knotless braids with their free-flowing curls, giving you a whimsical, carefree vibe. Or maybe you are into a knotless braid bob. It's sophisticated, sharp, and perfect for a stylish, professional look. And for those who love color, knotless braids with pops of color let you play with vibrant colors without the commitment. Now here are some secret tips to care for your knotless braids to make them last. Keep your scalp moisturized. A lightweight hair oil or a moisturizing spray is your best friend. Don't forget your edges. Use a soft brush and some edge control to keep them laid and looking fresh. Protect your hair at night. Sleeping with a silk or satin bonnet or scarf will reduce frizz and keep your braids looking new for longer. So, whether you are heading to the office, a night out, or just chilling with friends, knotless braids offer a stylish, easy to maintain solution. They are a protective style that doesn't compromise on beauty, so go on, find your perfect knotless braid style and unleash your inner fashionista. Stay sleek, stay stylish, and embrace the beautiful you. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Locks, and do not forget to turn the notification bell to get notified any single time I upload new videos. Until next time, bye.